No.
What you doing, girlfriend? You know your dad is coming over. No. Why are you touching this sign?
Hey, Callie, where are we at?
Hey, in New York City.
No, we're not.
New York City.
You crazy? You know where we are. We're at Legends Field.
We're at George Steinbrenner Field. It used to be called Legends Field.
No, we're really at the baseball game, like where the Yankees live. The Yankees
They don't live here.
dugout.
Oh,
They
yeah?
don't live in the dugout. Where's the food? Where's the refrigerator? Where's the toilet?
Oh, they're in the dugout, and they're hiding in their like stuff.
Where's the bathroom?
In the house.
Gosh.
And the house is under the sand.
Oh, yeah?
Go. And yeah. Did you know that?
I did.
That's not true.
Yes,
We're at Legends Field. Where's the refrigerator? Where's the toilet? Where's everything? Ow.
I ate it.